everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me for today's practice. Today we have a more chilled out practice. We're going to work a little bit of everything, and I just want this to be a nice chilled out practice that works the whole body, leaves you feeling open and Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me for today's practice. I want today's practice to be just a nice chilled out practice. We're going to work a little bit of everything, stretch, open the body, and just hopefully leave us feeling really good, really nourished, and just kind of really present in the moment. So with all that being said, as always, modify, adjust, add in and take away whatever you need to, and just listen to your body and enjoy the practice. We're going to start in a comfortable seated position in the middle of the mat today. So comfortable cross-legged, hands just resting onto the knees or on the lap, growing nice and tall through the spine, closing down the eyes, softening through the shoulders, and just taking a moment to soften in. Take a moment to feel the lower body be heavy, the sit bones grounded. Take a moment to feel the lengthening through the spine, the slight lift of the chest. And then without changing anything, just take your awareness to your natural breathing. Each subtle inhale allowing you to be a little bit more present. And each subtle exhale just allowing you to release tension, anything you don't need for this time you're on the mat. Just let the breath be unforced, gentle, and just grounding you into this space. As you continue to breathe, let's just start by dropping your right ear over to your right shoulder, feeling a stretch down the left side of the neck. And then slowly roll the chin down to the chest. And then taking the left ear to the left shoulder. And then in your own time, just start to move between the two, taking these half neck rolls, going as slowly or as quickly as feels good, maybe holding any areas that need a little bit more attention, that feel really tight. And then after several rounds, we'll meet with the chin into the chest, taking a deep breath in. And then open the mouth, exhale, let it go. Beautiful. Keeping the chin tucked in, start to allow your eyes to open. And then interlace your fingers behind the back of the head. Once you're there, allow your elbows to drop down towards one another. So you're letting the weight of the hands stretch open more through the upper back and neck. And then with your breath, on an inhale, start to lift the chin. Drop the head into the hands, squeeze the shoulder blades as you open the front body. And then exhale, round your spine, draw your chin to your chest. 2 like that, breathing in, open the front body. Breathing out as you round the spine. 1 more time, inhale, open the front body. Exhale to round. Beautiful. Inhale, bring your head and neck back to neutral. And then exhale, just release your fingertips next to your hips. From there, lean back, release your legs out long in front of you. Point your toes, reach your arms forwards, chin to chest, and then slowly start to roll all the way down onto your back. Once you get there, reach your arms up over the head, take a full body stretch, maybe a yawn. Lovely, and then start to hug both knees into the chest. Take a moment to rock gently from left to right, just feeling into the lower back. Lovely, and then place the left sole of the foot to the floor. Hold behind your right hamstring and then start to straighten your right leg up to the sky. Flex your right foot as you draw the toes towards your face. And you might stay there, you might walk the hands further up the leg. Some of you will hold the shin, the calf. Some of you will hold right peace fingers around the right big toe. Wherever you are, just breathe into the back of the right leg, opening through the hamstring. Let's take one more breath in. And then as you breathe out, take your right ankle on top of your left knee for a reclined pigeon. Interlace your hands behind the left thigh, lift your left foot and guide the leg towards you. Maybe pressing right elbow gently against the right knee just to get into the right outer hip. And as you breathe here, you might find a little sway. You might find stillness. Just make it work for you. Beautiful. And then keeping that right ankle on top of the knee. Release the left foot flat to the floor and then open your arms to a T. From here, drop both knees over towards the right. Your right ankle will be on top of the left knee, feeling a stretch down the left glute, left outer hip. Maybe gazing over towards your left thumb. Holding as you breathe in. And holding as you breathe out. Beautiful. Now a little bit of a funky transition. So start to bring your left foot flat to the floor. Right foot is still on top of left knee. From here, we're going to use the left elbow. So left elbow is going to be used to press ourselves up into a seated twist. So we're rolling over onto the left side. Press into the left elbow. Lift all the way up. Your right foot lands. Your sit bones land. You're facing the long edge of the mat. From there, left elbow to the outside of the right knee, right hand behind you, and then twist, gazing over your right shoulder. Take a deep breath in, and a deep breath out. Beautiful, and then inhale, look forwards towards the front of the mat. We're going to release the twist, lift that right leg, take the right leg all the way out to the right. The left foot is in towards the groin. Right hands to shin and then sweep that left arm up and over, feeling that side bend, that opening across the chest. Really, really nice deep stretch here. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Beautiful. On an inhale, sweep both arms up to the sky. Another little funky transition. As you breathe out, bring your hands in front of you. We're going to lean into that left shin. See if you can lift the hips. Roll over, coming into a tabletop shape. So lift the bum. Keep that right leg extended so you're in a one-legged tabletop. You can adjust yourself if needed. Right foot in line with the hip. Hands underneath the shoulders. From here, take an inhale, drop your belly, lift your chest. Exhale, round your spine. Pull your tailbone in. Again, breathe in, drop the belly, arch the back. Exhale to round. Lovely, coming back to a neutral position. From there, see if you can lift your right foot and then send your right leg all the way back behind you so you're in a balancing tabletop. Point the right toe, take an inhale, lift the foot higher. And then exhale, bring your right knee towards your chest, hold it there. And then step your right foot between your thumbs, low lunge. Framing your right foot, hands can be on floor or blocks. Hips forwards, chest forwards, option 1, stay. Option 2, arms to the sky, Anjaneyasana. Working into the left hip, take a full breath in. And a full breath out. Good, one more stretch through the arms, breathe in. And then exhale, half split. Start to straighten your right leg. Release your fingers either side of your right shin and bow the forehead towards the knee. Use blocks if you're feeling tight. Thinking about lengthening as you breathe in and folding as you breathe out. Beautiful. On your next inhale, find your halfway lift. Exhale, re-bend into the right knee. Inhale, arms to the sky, Anjaneyasana. Now from here, start to press into the right foot, lean your hips back. Keep your left toes tucked and then step your right knee to meet your left knee. Bring your hands onto your hips, squeeze your shoulder blades, inhale. And then exhale, heart or baby camel, hips forwards, open up across the chest. Maybe you look up, maybe your chin is tucked in. Just feel that stretch through the front body. Deep breath in. And deep breath out. Beautiful. Use your core, come back to a neutral spine. From there, cross your ankles behind you and then roll backwards onto your sit bones, releasing your legs out long in front of you. Bring yourself towards the top of the mat if you need to. Point your toes, extend your arms, chin to chest, and then slowly lower all the way down. Once you get there, reach your arms over the head, take a full body stretch, and then hug both knees into your chest. Again, little massage here from left to right. And then place the right sole of the foot flat. Hold behind your left hamstring, flex the foot, and then straighten the left leg to the sky. Keep drawing the toes towards you, maybe walking the hands further up the leg. Slow, steady breaths. Beautiful. And then eventually let's bend that left knee. Bring the left ankle on top of the right knee. Draw the left knee away from you and then interlace your hands behind the right thigh, lifting the foot and gently guiding the thigh towards you. Left elbow presses into the left knee. And again, you might find stillness. You might find that gentle sway. Just keep with the breath, staying present, staying in the body. Lovely, let's keep the left ankle where it is. Lower the right foot, take your arms to a T, and then drop both knees over to the left. That left ankle is supporting the stretch through that right hip, right outer glutes, maybe gazing towards your right hand. Beautiful. Start to bring your right foot flat again, knees to center. Funky transition again. So rolling over to your right, use your right up forearm, right elbow to lift you all the way up. Left foot lands, sit bone land. You're facing the long edge of the mat. Left hand behind you and then right elbow to the outside of the knee. Use that connection to twist, maybe gazing over your left shoulder. Taking a full breath in. And a slow breath out. Beautiful. Gazing towards the front of the mat. Release the twist. Lift your left leg. Take your left leg all the way over to the left. Straightening it out. Right heel towards the inner groin. Left hand to the shin. And then side bend over towards the left with that right arm. Really feeling the stretch through the left side body, the left waist. Beautiful. On your next inhale, both arms reach up. Exhale, bring your hands forwards in front of you, lean into the shin. See if you can lift your hips. And then take your right toes to face the back of the mat. Left foot is in line with the hip with the leg extended still. Once you're there, let's inhale, drop the belly, lift the chest into that cow shape. Exhale, round the spine, chin to chest. So you should feel this more into the left inner thigh. One more time, breathe in, drop the belly, heart lifts. Exhale to round and curl in. Neutral spine as you inhale. Press into the hands, see if you can lift your left foot. And then take the left leg all the way back behind you, pointing the toe. Inhale, lift the leg higher. Exhale, left knee towards your chest. Give it a squeeze. And then step the left foot between the hands. Find your low lunge, fingers down, and then reach your arms up if that feels good. Pressing into the feet, take a deep breath in. And a deep breath out, just working into that right hip flexor. Let's take one more reach through the arms, inhale. And then half splits, exhale, straighten the left leg. Fingers frame the left shin, maybe floor or blocks. Bum back, chest down, and just allow yourself to soften in. Beautiful. On your next inhale, look forwards. Exhale, re-bend into the left knee. Inhale, arms reach forwards and up. And then lean backwards, so press into the left foot, draw your hips back. Step your left knee to meet your right knee. Tuck your toes if you haven't already. Hands to hips. And then inhale, baby camel, open up across the chest. Squeeze the shoulders, maybe look up. Take one big breath in. And a breath out. Lovely, inhale back to neutral spine. This time, exhale, untuck your toes, bring your bum to your heels. Take your arms forward, find a child's pose. Allow your forehead to rest onto the earth. Allow your body to completely soften. Just take a moment to notice how you feel now compared to when you first stepped on the mat. Maybe more openness, maybe just a little bit more awareness. And that's absolutely enough. So as you allow the breath to come back to a steadiness, just take a moment of gratitude for simply showing up today, for this time you've carved out for your mind, your body. And with the chin tucked into the chest, just slowly roll all the way up to a kneeling position, hands resting onto the knees. Closing down your eyes, lifting through the heart space. Taking a full clearing breath in. Open the mouth, exhale, release. One more time, big breath in. And sigh. Bring your hands to your heart, bow the forehead. Taking with you this calm, this openness, and this sense of peace you've created into the rest of your day, your week, and just the areas that you need it most. As always, thank you so much for showing up, sharing your practice, your energy, your time with me today. The light in me honors the light in you. Namaste.